professors. So that means that the most essential things in this case is how they can express their opinion, they can talk with different people, and not just about things that they want, but in a good way, for example, doing something positive, not negative, because when they are talking things negative, this can affect the environment that, that is around of us. So, in this case, it's necessary that this study that analyze all about the politeness, strategy, resource crucial for effective communication. So, in this case, the most important thing is the how we can communicate with a good positive strategy. Statement of the problem. Okay, in this case, the politeness between negative and positive is crucial because and also is essential because at the moment when they are doing or they are talking, we can express our ideas or opinion in a good way. So in this case, the use of strategy that can facilitate the communication between professor and student is important. Okay, the next point is justification. Politeness is not only a thing that we can do, for example, in our way, is just a crucial strategy, and also this can guide all people around this world, and for that reason we can talk, we can not only say things that doesn't have sense. It's essential, it's important to mention that the influence between students and professors have a good so the objective of this investigation here, I will mention the role of the people, and the specific objective is including dividing frequent negative, polite strategy, and proposing pedagogical recommendations. Theoretical framework. The framework is raised Brown, Brown and Levison. The politeness theory in Spencer author was one of the authors that I found this theoretical framework. Okay, the methodology here. I removed many articles because some of them doesn't have joy, also doesn't the document or the information was duplicated. For that reason, I removed and was fixed it, and for some of them I removed because, as I mentioned before, some information was duplicated, and I decided to look just for information that can express the sense or meaning that I was looking in that moment. It is important to mention that predominance of negative politeness strategies is synthesis of the review leads to consistent conflicting negative politeness strategies, and the other point was the crucial role of meta-discourse, because the politeness strategies in this case between professor and student via email was one of the most important things that we can find in that moment. Okay, as a conclusion, as I mentioned in this presentation, it is important to understand that all of the politeness between student and professors is important, because when you are asking, when you are talking with different people, you can say, could you please give me this, not say, give me that. It's like a command. In that case, we need to analyze first. For that reason, I decided to look, also I did in that research. Thank you so much. Research.